Hi, welcome back to another video. Are you looking for mess-free, clutter-free charging cable? Today I am going to show a premium quality self-winding magnetic Type-C to Type-C data cable that you can use with your Android phone or iPhone 15 series. MagTame makes premium quality Tangle Free magnetic cables which offer fast charging and charging protections. This charging cable is Wi-Fi certified, hence you can use it with your MacBook or iPhone 15 series without any issue. It is also available in Lightning cable, which is used for iPhone models up to iPhone 14 series. The magnet used in the cable keeps it tangle free and hence you won't see clutter and you can organize your desk properly. This cable offers up to 5A current and 100 watt, which means it can fast charge your smartphone provided you use compatible fast charger. It can fast charge Samsung, OnePlus and other brand phones. So, buy it from link in the description. Additionally, you will get 10% discount coupon.